The Husqvarna Aspire Pruner will need a bit of maintenance here and there, but it is super simple to do. So let me explain the basics of an oil and a clean. So first things first, we need to make sure the unit is powered off. So we press the off switch, and of course we need to remove the battery source. Then we need to remove the bar protector. Now remember, this chain is really sharp, so it's a good idea to wear gloves. Using the brush provided, I just then get into all the nooks and crannies and give it a really good brush down, removing any debris, any little wood chips, and any dust you can see from around this bar and chain area. So as with all of the Husqvarna Aspire range, the orange touch points are the points of interest which we need to take note of. So this here, if I unlock this, this will give me access to the rest of the chain and bar that is under there for safety. As you can see, there's a bit of debris inside here, so we really want to give this a good scrub out too. So the pruner does come with a bottle of oil. So we recommend applying this before every use and then again every 5 to 7 cuts. You don't need to go crazy with the bar oil, but what you can do is just apply a few little drops at various intervals around the chain. And that should be enough to get you going. If you do suspect that the chain is starting to get a little bit blunt, if you are confident in changing the chain yourself, it's a pretty simple procedure. You can just refer to page 416 in the operator's manual. Then you can always order a new one or pop down to your local Husqvarna dealership and they'll be able to give you a hand. So once you're done with your maintenance and your oil, you can just run a quick check and you should be on your way to pruning your next project.